These are the top 5 funniest and terrifying animal sounds. That'll make you laugh first, then sprint for your life. These sounds will make you scream, bro, what did I just hear? Comment below which one made you say, nah, I'm never going near that thing again. But first, you'll unlock ridiculous holy luck for 7 days if you like, and comment right now. First up, Silvery Gibbon. Next, Indri Lemur. Then comes the goat that screams like a human. Literally, it sounds like your uncle saw his electricity bill and just lost it. Next, koala. Finally, kiwi.